Hi, my name is Dylan Harry. I had the pleasure of doing the Arctic Wednesday program last year. I teach a science at Freiburg Academy, and specifically I was working with my field science class last year. So this was such a great opportunity to explore or sort of focus on a really unique, really amazing example of field science that's happening in our area. And this really served as a focal point for us, whether it was the data, bringing Will in from the OBS to speak to my class, or my visit to the mountain and sort of my account of that. We really used this as a focal point for a couple of months and referred back to it constantly. The extreme nature of the weather on Mount Washington is really easy to communicate with images, video. Some students have experienced it themselves. And then we were able to use that for two purposes. One, to sort of show people the struggle that can be associated with the scientific endeavor in general. And then later, it helped to connect students to this idea that there are different ecoregions in the mountains, the boreal forest, the alpine zone, and understanding that plants have to adapt to these really harsh conditions up in the mountains was a lot easier for them after they had studied the weather on Mount Washington through the Arctic Wednesday program. I also was really invigorated by the whole adventure side of it, and I think they were too, and it pushed us in our own field trips to get outside, to collect data, and to sort of appreciate the sense of adventure that is characterized by the Mount Washington scientists.